Hi everyone, Miss Brill here. Just a quick video to help you to use the SeeSaw class app at home to support with your home learning. So first, if you're using a mobile device, you need to log into your App Store or your Google Play Store and find the SeeSaw class app, which I've highlighted here. Then when it's finished downloading, find it on your home screen and open the app. The app should then open and show you this screen here. You then need to select I'm a student. This step, there's two ways to log in. You need to find the login that your class teacher has given you. You can either log in using this screen here, making sure the QR code is inside the box, or you can type the long code into this box here. This is how we scan the QR code, and then this is how we input the code. Whichever way you log in will take you to a screen that looks like this. I'm now in my class. Next thing we need to learn to do is learn how to upload items into our journal. To do this, you click the green Add button shown on the screen now. Once you've done that, it will take you to a screen that looks like this. This screen shows you all of the different ways that you can upload work to your SeeSaw journal. I want to upload a picture that I took earlier on today, so I'm going to press this button here. I then find the photo on my camera roll, and then I can upload it. Now you're not quite finished yet. When you get to this screen, there's lots of different tools that you can use to add to the work that you have produced. If you'd like to add a caption to your work, you click on these speech marks down in the bottom left-hand corner. Here you can type in a description of the work that you have completed. If you'd prefer not to type, you can click on the microphone here. This way, you can create a recording that describes what it is that you have completed. Hi Mrs. Bennett, look at the cookies that I made using Miss Brill's cookie recipe. They were delicious but very sweet. You can also use this top capital T here, which allows you to add a title to your post that you've uploaded. Then when you're ready, press the green tick in the top right hand corner and you'll see the post on your journal. As I mentioned earlier, there are other ways that you can add things to your journal. So I showed you the upload. You can also take a photo immediately. You can complete a drawing, take a video immediately, write a note to your teacher, or share a link that you have found. You'll find all of these options after you've clicked on the green Add button. So this is what you'll see if you want to complete a drawing. There's colours for you to use, different type of pens and pencils. There's the ability to erase the picture, add captions and add recordings, just like with the others. This is the screen if you want to type a note. You could also use this as a word processing program if you needed to write a story or something similar. On the note function, there's also an opportunity to do a voice recording. To do this, you click on the microphone at the bottom of the page. Then, like with the other ways to upload, once you've completed your work, you click the green tick in the top right-hand corner, which will then allow it to show on your journal. Now, when the teachers upload your learning placemats for the rest of the week, they will schedule them as an activity on your SeeSaw page. If you have an activity waiting for you to complete, it will show in the activity tab shown here. When you have an activity waiting, you need to add a response to it. You then upload your response in exactly the same way as I've shown you previously. So this week, I have completed my activity on when I grow up. So I've selected the picture on my camera roll and I'm now writing a description of what it is that I've done. Then again, when it's uploaded, it will show up on your journal and your teacher will be able to see it. Now, once you've completed an activity once, it won't show up again in your waiting for response, but you can still respond to it by clicking respond again so that you can complete more activities for this week's placemat. I hope you found this video useful. As always, if you need anything at all, you can always send us a message and we can help out. It's really important that we develop this link over SeeSaw Class app, as it will continue to help us as we move forward in our blended learning approach. Thanks everyone!